Hi everyone, it's Aska here. In this video, I will show you how to create 5 different patterns using magnetic gel. Magnetic nails are cute with their sparkling and deep shine, but even when the magnetic gel is applied, the sparkle does not appear as expected. This time, I'll focus only on how to move the magnet and show you how to create 5 different patterns. If you learn how to move the magnetic gel in this video, you'll be able to create various patterns, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, prepare your favorite magnetic gel. Whether it's magnetic gel in a bottle or in a container, the glittering particles of the magnet may sink to the bottom. So to spread it evenly, stir it slowly first. If it's a bottle, roll it slowly in the palm of your hand. And if it's a container, stir it slowly with a toothpick. If you mix it too vigorously, bubbles will form in the gel. So it's important to stir it gently and slowly. Once it's mixed well, spread it on your nails. The basic way to use magnetic gel is to apply the first coat thinly and harden it with the light. Then spread a little more with the second coat. Apply a magnet to create a pattern of your choice and harden it with the light. This time, we will start with the thin first coat already applied and harden it with the light. Okay, let's start with the first one. The most popular circle type. For the circle type, which makes almost the entire nail sparkle, make a small gap around the nail and collect the sparkle in the pink part. Place the silver side of the magnet up and slowly bring the magnet close to the side of the nail. When it reaches next to the nail, twist the magnet up just a little and stop it. This will move the sparkly particles to the left side and create a dark gap on the right side. Then, when you remove the magnet from the nail, move it quickly. Next, do the same as before, but this time slowly move the magnet closer to the left side of the nail. And when it reaches next to the nail, twist it to stop and quickly release it. Do the same, but this time from above. Slowly move it closer, twist it to stop, and quickly release it. Next, from below. This completes the circle shape. If you want to make it more round, apply the magnet not only from above, below, left and right, but also from an angle to make it rounder. The secret to making this circle pattern well is to move it while being aware of magnetic force. Even though you can't see it with your eyes, a magnetic force like this is generated on a square-type magnet. Move the sparkling gel particles while being aware that this magnetic force is coming from the side of the magnet. Also, when you move it closer to the nail, move it slowly. And when you've gathered the glitter, quickly move it away to get the shape you want. Now, the second one. The second one is a gradient type. First, hold the magnet a little away from the top of the nail. and apply it evenly and softly all over. This makes the nails sparkle all over. Next, place the magnet diagonally against the nail from the base of the nail. Hold the magnet facing you and slowly move it to the center of the nail. When you get to this point, pull the magnet straight up, and the gradation is complete. The third is a slant type with a diagonal line. There are two ways to make this diagonal line. The first is a very easy way to make it in an instant. Hold the magnet diagonally from directly above the nail and slowly bring it closer. When it is very close to the nail, wait 2 to 3 seconds and then quickly put it up. This completes the slant type. This method creates a clear line. The other method is to hold the magnet vertically against the nail and slowly move it from the bottom right to the top left of the nail. This creates the same slant type. This one has a soft glittery line. The fourth is a side type using a round magnet. Slowly bring this round magnet from the side of the nail to the middle of the nail. Hold it there for 2 to 3 seconds, then quickly raise the magnet straight up. And you'll have a round pattern like the sun. Also, this round magnet has a magnetic force that removes the glitter from the area it is placed on. By taking advantage of the curve of the round magnet, you can create an S-shaped line by placing the magnet directly on 2 points, the top right and bottom left. Finally, the fringe shape. The fringe shape is the most difficult of these 5. First, gather all the glitter up to about 1/3 of the tip of the nail. Place the magnet diagonally against the nail facing towards you and slowly move it from the base of the nail to the tip to gather the glitter. When you reach about 1/3, hold it there for 2 to 3 seconds, then quickly put it up. Next, switch to a round magnet and create a curve. Slowly move it from the base of the nail to the tip, and when you reach the tip, move it left and right like this to create a fringe line. Once you have created the fringe line, move the magnet back to the base of the nail. Finally, place the round magnet diagonally from the tip of the nail with the back of the magnet facing you, and slowly move the magnet right and left along the U-shaped line at the tip of the nail. This completes the process. You now have French manicure with glitter only on the tip of the nail. If the glitter particles disappear completely after moving the magnet many times, in this case, the glitter has sunk to the bottom. So you can revive the glitter by stroking the surface of the nail with a brush. You can redo the magnetic gel as many times as you want, so try moving it slowly without rushing. How did you like the way to create 5 different patterns using magnetic gel? If you can't move the magnetic gel as you want, just move it slowly. Be aware of the magnetic force coming from the magnet, And once the glitter is created, quickly remove it from the nail to create the pattern you want. So please try it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.